everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I am back to do a share. I do have a tiny haul, and then I'm going to share just a couple of projects that I've been working on. Nothing big, just creating some bows for some of our gifts since my daughter started wrapping Christmas gifts already. So first of all, let me just share with you some sequins that I purchased online. These came a while ago. I just never got to do a video on them, but I did get some gingerbread sequins, and I did get this from Ali when they had the festival sale. So that was like November 11th, and they are itty bitty gingerbread men. Can you see that? Oops, sorry, I'm not even in frame. They are so cute. They're tinier than I thought they would be, but I still love them. And I was looking for them on Amazon, and they only had like the ones, I think it's called Wow. I know some of you guys have hauled it from Tuesday morning. Sorry about my nails, guys. I'm gonna try to go and get my nails done hopefully this end of the week. But anyway, yeah, I couldn't find them on Amazon, and they were a little expensive, like for a little tiny bottle that came with other sequins, and I only wanted this one. So anyway, ended up getting them on Amazon, and they were, you know, pretty inexpensive. Of course, it took a while to get to you, but love them. And then the ones from Amazon, if you do a search, oh sorry, first of all, this one right here from AliExpress, this one is from a QYX department store, and they came in two colors. There's a gold one that is like bright gold, and then this brown one, and of course I did the brown because it looks more like a gingerbread. And then it didn't come in this case, I just kind of put this here, but this is the one from Amazon. And I just did a search on Christmas sequins, and this is what popped up, and there's different ones. But anyway, I think this is two different packs, but I'm pretty sure they all came from the same vendor, so it all came at once. But there's this one right here. This comes with, so I got 2 packs of these. They came with the reindeer, and let me show you. They came with the Christmas tree, this red reindeer, the silver present, and a gold angel. So really cute. So I got 2 packs. I mean, it was one order, but they separated them in 2 packs. And then I got these, and these are these sequins right here, the sequins mix, not the gingerbread. This one right here, it comes with Merry Christmas in red and green, and then you have 2 different Christmas trees, the bigger one and this one. This one is embossed. You have Santa, a white snowflake, these little circle, I guess they're supposed to be like berries. You get that in red and silver, and then you get the star. And then 2 of the packets came with teeny tiny stars. And then it came with also the silver reindeer. I have reindeer, but it doesn't look like that. It's more of the brown one. I think it was gifted to me by one of my my besties. And yeah, so I have the brown deer, but this one I thought was really cute. So those came like this, as you can see. They're nicely packaged for you. So I don't know, I might just separate these, just because when I do my, you know, when I do my shakers, I kind of want like an even mix in there. I don't know. I might just leave them. I mean, it's a cute little mix. So anyway, so yeah, that's, I actually used this for a shaker that I recently created, but you couldn't really see it because it got kind of covered up. But anyway, those are the sequins that I had purchased recently. I did purchase some from Joann's too during Black Friday. So hopefully it comes in today or tomorrow. The latest will be Monday. So I'll do another video on sequins. But anyway, I just thought I'd go ahead and share these with you guys. And then I was creating some bows because like I said, my daughter started wrapping a bunch of gifts because we had already set up our Christmas tree like really early. It's been up for over a week now. Anyway, the last time I was at Walmart, I was going to pick up some bows, you know, just the kind of bows that you just, you know, stick on, the ready-made bows. But I thought it was expensive, like for a big bag. It was $8. And I didn't pick any, I don't know if Dollar Tree, I'm sure Dollar Tree has them. So I thought, you know, $8, that's like way expensive. I can get that at Dollar Tree. But then I haven't really gone to Dollar Tree since. And then I thought, you know, I have so much Christmas paper. Let me just make some bows, you know, myself. So, and you know, I have lots of like glitter and silver foiled paper. So yeah, I decided I have a lot of bow dies. I think we all do, but I decided to use this one. I think this is one of my biggest bows, from Brenda Walton, and it's called French Bow. And I only used the largest one. And let me show you what I did with them. I created these, and look, they come out really cute and nice and big. As you can see, there's my hands, and they're nice and big. I think the ones that I was looking at, they were even smaller than this. And so they're kind of squarish looking, but I love them. So yeah, I created some of these, and I used the paper from Michael's that were in the $2 section. I think over the summer they had them. If you guys remember these, they're the Slick Glitter Paper Pad, and it comes with 4 sheets and all these colors right here, and the silver and blue. And anyway, I like them because they're very flexible and they're durable. And these clearanced out for like, they were originally $5. They clearanced out for $1, if you guys remember. So yeah, that's what I made out of them. And aren't they pretty? They come out really pretty. So I made pink. With one sheet, I was able to create 3 per sheet. So I did 3 of that. I did 3 of the blues. So I decided to make them solid colors so that way they go well with, you know, the patterned wrapping paper. And then I also made some gold ones. And I'm going to show you guys how to make these because they're super easy to make. And I started out just doing hot glue at first, and then I did even my the Helmar craft glue, but it didn't work because it's so slick. It has nothing to really stick on. You know, it's not porous enough. So then I decided to staple them instead, and use a little bit of glue as well. So, and then I even sewed some of them. So yeah, I tried everything because I didn't want them falling apart. I wanted them to be bows that we can use and reuse, you know, every year. I'll just put them away because they're nice and durable. They're like, you know. So yeah, so I made these, and then I made silver. So I did this one today. And then if you don't want to do like these centers, here's one. I use one of the pom-poms because I have these pom-poms that I've been holding on to forever, and they're huge. And I'm thinking, what am I going to do with these really huge ones? Because I tend to just use the tiny ones on my projects. And so, you know, I decided to go ahead and use some of these. So yeah, look, that's what you can do. Isn't it cute? I think it actually looks cuter with the pom-pom. You know, it looks very wintry. So yeah, that's what I made, and I think they're so cute. So let's go ahead and put these together. It's like I said, you know, they're really easy. Okay, so when you cut with this, it gives you two sizes, so the smaller bow and this one, but they cut out like this. So you only get one side of the bow because you fold it over like that. Okay, and then I didn't do the tails. So all you need is that. And because this is a steel rule die, you can do it in one pass. You can do 4 of these. So all I did was I actually cut them out 4.5. I think I cut out this paper 4.5 by 2.25. No, a little bit over a quarter. So maybe 2 and maybe like 5/8 or something. And then, you know, I lined them up. I mean, not lined them up, but I put them on top of each other like that. And then I ran it through and it cut all 4. So super easy, right? And then I just cut a strip. This is for the center if you want to do the center. So let's just go ahead and do this one right here. And all I did was take my Tim Holtz stapler and I just kind of, you know, made a little cylinder here, and then you can just staple it and then glue it on. Okay. Oh, and another thing you need is you also need a circle. So I don't know what happened to my circle. Anyway, we'll just go ahead and create another one. So just take a 1-inch circle punch and punch that out. And then we're just going to staple on this, okay? Because like I said, the glue didn't actually work for me. So all I'm going to do is fold that over and then just staple it about that much. Almost halfway in. And then staple it like so. See that? Then get the other one and you're going to do the opposite side right here, okay? And just kind of, you know, make sure you're kind of even. I'm going to staple it here because, let's see. And don't staple your fingers. Be very careful, of course. Oh, that didn't stay. Whoopsie. So let's take that off. Of course, on video, this is going to be difficult, right? But go ahead and take that off because you don't want the extra bulk. You don't want extra staples on there. It gets a little tricky once you have, you know, a few of these half bows. I'm just going to go ahead and staple like right here. Okay, so anyway, like that. And then take another one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it here because I'm going to try to staple it don't worry, you're gonna cover all the, oops, I'm not in frame. You're gonna cover up all those staples. Okay, so I'm almost done. Take this. Now this is the trickiest part because you kind of have to get through at an angle here. Let's see. Oh. Anyway, just do your best to staple that. Okay. So hopefully that holds. I think so. See, now you have all those staples there, and you're going to cover that up with a foam dot. I mean a foam a little square. Okay, and then this one, this part I do glue, so although I've tried sewing it as well, I think the best thing really is to just, you know, sew, staple it or sew it. I'm gonna see if I can staple it. Hold on. See if I can sneak in here again on the side. You can just kind of flatten this a little bit. Whoops. Okay, hold on. Flatten one of your bows. Okay, see that? Hopefully. Okay, well, I was able to staple it in there, but you could also glue it with a little bit of the glue and hope that it doesn't pop out. Or, oh, you know what? No, I think I tried that and I didn't like that. So I did double-sided adhesive. You can do that too, or you can do the little foam. I think on one of them I did the foam dots. I figured if it pops out, well, you know, I'll just get another foam dot or foam adhesive. These are the ones from the 99-cent store. Foam squares or rectangles. They're not really square. And yeah, you can just stick it under. And that works too. See that? So, see how cute? And then in the back, you can just put another foam. And that way you can, it's ready to stick on your gift. And like I said, if you want to do a pom-pom, you can do a pom-pom. This one I just used my glue. You can use Fabri-Tac or this one, and it should stay on there, you know. Anyway, you could always pop it back on if it comes off. But yeah, these are just bows, you know, for my family, just for my kids. We have a nice looking tree this year. I love the way it came out. My husband loves it. So I figured, you know, our presents should look as nice. That's why I decided to do bows. In the past, I usually just do like ribbon, you know, and just curl it for my kids, because then it just goes in the trash. But these, at least, you know, you can reuse them every year. And I had fun making them. So I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And I hope you liked my little bow tutorial and my little haul. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.